Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the engine oil and oil filter on an Audi A4. One of the first things you'll have to do would be to jack up the vehicle. Then you should place an extra stand for safety. After you go under the vehicle, you'll find a big cover which you have to remove. The cover is fixed with loads of torque screws of two different sizes. After you have taken the cover off, you should be able to see the sump hole. You will need a 19mm socket and a ratchet in order to open it. After you have removed the sump bolt, you need to take the oil filter off. You will need a 32mm socket, extension and a ratchet. Then you need to change the oil filter and the rubber seal from the oil filter cap. After that, you can install the new oil filter. Then after all the oil has come out, you can put the sump bolt back. After that, you can put the cover back. can take the axle stand out and jack the vehicle down. And finally, you can put the engine oil in and you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.